Hi guys! Please look at what and my girl wear today. Yes, we are in the matching outfit. This makes me feel so great. My baby looks a little bit like a samurai in this outfit though. Anyway, we are heading to the newly opened outlet near my house, which is 기흥 롯데 Outlet in Yongin City. Today's expressions are couple look, 시밀러룩, 목말, 무등, 상설 매장, 전신 거울, and 준수사항. If you're interested in Korean outlets or the expressions, please watch the following video. Hello, I'm Bori, and it's Bori's Korean. As you might know, matching outfits or twinning are so popular here in Korea, unlike anywhere else. I didn't prefer this kind of matching look when I was younger, but with my little girl, stories are always different. Just wearing the same shirt with my girl makes me so exciting! Yay! So, the first expression for today is the matching outfits or twinning. Those words Koreans use for this may sound absurd because they're clearly English ones, but they're obviously the words Koreans use in our daily lives in our own way. So we say couple look or similar look for those outfits. If the two wear the same clothes, that would be couple look, and with just a similar color or style, then this one would be similar look. So strictly speaking, the two have different uses. Anyway, especially English native speakers, be careful not to pronounce like English. You should say like couple look, similar look for these. If you want to be fluent in Korean, couple look, similar look. We came inside through the underground parking garage. Wow, the screens are really impressive. That waterfall is so refreshing. As it's a new building, everything seems so clean. Let's go outside now. It's almost the same as any other outlet. I know, outlets are outlets. Outlets have been all similar here in Korea, the America, or the England, wherever I visited. Maybe I expected too much. Here is the first store I'm getting in. This one is just a do-it one. You know where it is. As expected, the area for sneakers are very popular. Oh, look at this kid enjoying his dad's shoulder carry. Isn't he so cute? So in Korean, shoulder lift is called 목말, 목말, or 무등. 무등. 무등 is a dialect but widely used even in Seoul. We're looking around again to see if there are any interesting stores. Do you see the phrase indoor surfing? Wow, I never seen indoor surfing stores before. I saw a celebrity whose name is Sung-hoon do this on TV program the other day. I think he filmed here. I'm curious about this place. Shall we go in? According to the guideline, we are watching the surfers through the monitor. The surfing boy is falling down. This time, another woman. Wow, she's really good. I can't wait to try surfing. I moved to another store. I see the word 상설 매장 on that banner over there. You might be familiar with the word 매장, which means a store. But what about 상설? 상설 means permanent originally, but it wouldn't make sense when you put the two words 상설 and 매장 together. Actually, it's more natural to put the word 할인 between those two, like 상설 할인 매장. But in many cases, it's called a 상설 매장 without the word 할인, like this case. A 상설 할인 매장 or 상설 매장 is a discount store, and we used to use that expression a lot more long time ago when the English word outlet is not widely used. Oh, here I am. In Korea, these shovel mirrors are called 전신 거울. 전신 거울. I can see baby clothes now. We are a little tired, so we sit on a small sofa for a moment looking at the camera. Oh, there's something out there. What is that? This place is so amazing. It's a playground where kids can run around. The upper space is available from the age of 3, so my girl can go up. But we dropped her off the stroller so she could walk around. I think she likes this place too. She let me here. You want me to follow the 준수 사항? 준수 means compliance and 사항 here means terms. So together it means terms of compliance. To say it in an easier way, it's just guidelines. Yeah, well, thank you for letting me know the guidelines, baby. I won't violate any. By the way, I love this place. Shall we take a look around? This playground is imaginative. Whose idea was it? I love creative people so much. You are more than cool. Terrific. I got thirsty all of a sudden, so I'm looking for a place to buy iced coffee. I always love soft iced latte. What coffee do you like? Oh, do you know what I just saw? What's that delicious looking ice cream? I just bought this coffee and you just show up in front of me now. Oh, speechless. I'm back to my girl. This little girl with no shoes on and a t-shirt slipped out of her pants. Baby, I don't think you need to let people know you are my girl, especially right this moment. So, what are you doing standing there? Oh, there's a kind of line in front of the baby. My girl doesn't pass over when she finds lines or drains. Isn't she so cute? So, what are you going to do now? What? You want me to lift you up? I had a phone and coffee in my hand. But yeah, I will try. So today, the expressions found in the outlet were 커플룩, 시밀러룩, 목말, 무등, 상설매장, 전신거울, and 준수사항. I hope you can get an idea about Korean outlets and the expressions used there. Have a relaxing day, everyone. Bye!